Most commonly used in economy to mid-scale hospitality properties, the PTAC is one of the most recognized types of heating and cooling equipment. It also plays the largest role in determining guest comfort. Correct sizing and installation directly affects that comfort level. In order to make sure your installation goes smoothly, we've prepared this video to answer the questions most frequently asked by our installers. It is critical that the unit's capacity is properly sized. The recommended sizing formula is 30 BTUs, that's British thermal units, per square foot. For example, a hotel room that is 12 feet by 25 feet has a square footage of 300 feet. Applying the formula, we get 9,000 BTUs. Room dimensions may not always work out to an exact match with unit capacities. Still, this formula will provide a good means of selecting the right equipment for your needs. Most people tend to think that a higher capacity unit is always better. That's simply not true. When the formula provides a value that's between two capacity sizes, it's advisable to opt for the smaller unit. The smaller unit may run a little longer, but it will also dehumidify and provide a more enjoyable atmosphere for the guests. Having a smaller unit can also aid in the fight against mold. The wall sleeve houses the PTAC chassis. It also serves as the mounting platform for both the outdoor grill and the drain kit. In renovation or new construction applications, the depth of the wall sleeve can vary from flush with the outside of the building to a minimum of 1 inch of the wall sleeve showing on the inside portion of the wall. Please note that if more than 4 inches of the wall sleeve is visible on the inside of the room, a sub-base must be used. That's because when more than 4 inches of the wall sleeve is inside of the room, the unit will be improperly balanced forward. In extreme cases, this can cause buckling or failure of the wall. A more common problem would be condensate drainage into the room. The primary use of the sub-base is to provide support for the unit. It also has electrical connections and can be hardwired directly into the circuit. The LG PTAC has electronic controls that make it one of the most versatile and advanced units on the market. Each unit comes ready to interface with both wired and wireless thermostats, as well as front desk and energy management systems. For heat-cool units with no thermostat, numbers 1 through 6 should be off and number 7 should be on. For heat pump units with no thermostat, numbers 1 through 7 should be off. When using a thermostat, number 1 should be on. For fan cycle control or energy saver, number 2 should be either on or off depending upon the guest's needs. When making changes to the dip switches, the unit must be unplugged for at least 10 seconds. After the appropriate changes are made, the unit can be plugged in again. There is a 3-minute safety delay built into the unit that is in effect when power has been restored after an interruption. LG's wireless thermostat is the most versatile and advanced model available in the industry. It's a large-face touchscreen thermostat. The unit has an integrated infrared occupancy sensor that controls the embedded energy management features. The occupancy sensor constantly looks for motion in the room. When motion is detected, the sensor turns off for 5 minutes and then resumes its search. When the unit is programmed, set points for temperature and time limits for occupancy are established. The unit will maintain the programmed environment until new parameters are programmed. The unit can be powered by either 2 D-cell batteries or directly wired into an outlet in the room. A current tap would be required for the latter option. The control icons are as follows. Pressing the stop sign turns the unit off. The sun engages the heating mode. The snowflake engages the cooling mode. And the fan engages the fan-only mode. Any single icon represents low fan speed in the respective mode. 2 icons represent high fan speed. The thermostat communicates with the PTAC via RF technology. The unit has the ability to channel hop if any interference is detected.